Figure 18-66 shows the procedure for determining protection for motor over temperature problems when the adjustable speed drive is operating the motor and both in operation, say. Now, the over temperature protection can be illustrated, ways to do it, in the boxed in information with the title head Over Temperature Protection. Item 1 there is motor or thermal protection. 2, speed sensitive overload protection and thermal memory retention upon shutdown or power loss. Relay utilization, thermal sensors embedded in the motor. Thermal sensors embedded in the motor that is monitored by the adjustable speed drive system. And you can see that this should be done really by a good qualified person. A lot of folks, refer a good engineer that's had experience with these drive systems that really know how to design and lay out the electrical system to power these types of drives and motors. And I'm not saying, that a contractor can't do it, but you should be qualified. Don't take on a job that you're not, qualified to do. And in this motor over temperature protection is outlined in NEC 430, 126A1 through A4. But that's basically what the figure 18-66 is illustrating, is that this over temperature protection has to be provided. And, sometimes they do it with a water tap system and can be very large. So you really want to be qualified when you start dealing with Part 10 or Roman numeral 10 in Article 430 when you're installing an adjustable speed drive or even designing the circuitry for adjustable speed drive in a driven motor.